Figma Presentation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Figma on your device by launching the app or accessing it through your web browser. Once Figma is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the plus button to start a new project. After clicking the plus button, a new window will appear where you can choose the type of project you want to create. Click on the Slides button to begin a slide-based project, where you have the option to create your slides from scratch. For this tutorial, you'll be using a pre-made template to simplify the process. Use the search bar to look for the type of template you want to use, such as business, education, or portfolio themes. Browse through the available options and choose the template that best fits your needs. Once you find the right one, click the plus button to add the template to your project. To expand a presentation, you can add more slides by selecting the New Slides option and choosing additional layouts you prefer. You can also customize your template by adding images and new text. You now have slides on Figma.